Hey friends, if you wish to force Wi-Fi to connect over the 5 GHz network in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Here's the thing, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for Network Adapters. Right click on the internal wireless AC1 and then select Properties. Now go to the Advanced tab, select Preferred Band, change it to 5 GHz, click on OK, and that's it. Now your Wi-Fi will connect to 5 GHz unless it is absolutely unavailable. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.